Sula. Oh, here's good time. Oh, we have a call from number 5. The sister, second personal foul and first team foul for the second quarter. There is now Monchada. There is the sister. Wow, binigay dito kay Valeriano. Oh, wow. With foul also from number 12. Number 12 is Monchada. Monchada, first personal foul and first team foul also. 2 free throws. Basket from Valeriano, number 28, of JSC Stainless. Okay, perfect free throw from Valeriano. Their score now of JSC is 26-17 for Unidos. Kudos, Unidos. 10 seconds to shoot. Bibigay kay Guntan for 3. Yes, that is a 3 points. Guntan. Anim na lang mga kaibigan. Valeriano. No basket. Rebound by Monchada. There it is. Tampor for 3. There is Valeriano. Bibigay din sila ng Saba. 28-20 is our score. Here is now again Sula. We have a foul. Offensive foul from number 2. Blocking foul. Guntan. First personal foul, Guntan. And second team fouls, Kudos, Unidos. 8 minutes and 23 seconds remaining time. Gadores. There's Gadores. There's a rebound, mapupunta sa Unidos. And save it about Earth Valeriano. We have a foul. Iban. 73. Kiban, that is your first personal foul and already 3 team fouls of Kudos Unidos. Jazz, Tampor! Sula! Ilalabas ang bola. Magantay sa kanyang mga kasama. 12 seconds. We have a foul from number 8. Now, Ibon JSC. Oi? Lifting to fall. Here is again Generals of JSC to Anipan. Bibigyan ka pa ng regalo. Turn around, we have now from number 2. Guntan is ready to second personal foul. And warning for penalty. Janos. Tira si Janos. Sumawala ka sa ibang pumunta kay Unggal. Unggal bigay kay Monchada. Tingnan ka lang si Monchada. Unggal. Wala. 7 minutes and 10 seconds is the remaining time. At the band got Lawrence. Wala. Sa JSC. Valeriano bigay kay Anipan. No basket. Here's Monchada. to good time. Bibigyan kitang 4. Tampor turn. Same ball. Only loose ball. 17 seconds shot clock. Tampor. Bibigyan kayo good time. Wala. Pabika ka. Rebound big. Jan Ross. Anipan. Gadores. Wow. Saba Malaysia. 10 seconds. It's okay. Who's ball? Give it the arm. That is 73. 73 is Kiban. Second person of all Kiban and work already the penalty. Zaba Anipan, Macwell. Anipan, Bassett. 29-20, 9-point lead. Kaya ng Unidos na dumikit sa JSC. This because this is only the second quarter. And the time remaining is 6 minutes and 19 seconds. It's a shot clock, 40 seconds to shoot. Tampor, may lagap pa akong narinig mula kay Jan Ross, jersey number 0. Second personal foul here in the arm. 3 team fouls, JST. 6 minutes 13 seconds, chance Tampor. 2 free throws ang ibibigay sa iyo. Okay, basket. Walo ang lamang ng inyong kalaban. The JST Sailors. Perfect window from Tampor. 29-22 is our score. 6 minutes and 9 seconds is our remaining time. Here is the game, Jan Ross. Back to Jan Ross. Nag-aagawa ko pa rin ako. Bibigay kayo, Jan Ross. At pakukuha na naman natin ang Unidos at nagpapasa kay Tampor. Here is Unggan. Babat Unggan! Aray ko. May foul. Basket foul number 0. Si Jan Ross na naman. Third personal foul, Jan Ross. Body shot para kay Unggan. Wala ka na. Jan Ross na meron tatlong personal foul. Timao, choice number 10. Nagawa mga kaibigan na nurse ng Unggan. Pupunta mga kaibigan kay Macwell. We have a foul on number 10. Ta-da! JST Sailors. Number 10. Timao, first personal foul and sa pagbabalik ay penalty. Okay? Only 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Number 4, 29-24. That goes. Ball's penalty. Both teams were with the penalty. Nag-foul si Timao. Diyos ay panay tayo 2026. That will be on February 25. Ano yung mga LGBTQ community. Monchara. Monchara. 5 ang kalabangan ng inyong kalawang JS. Last. Wala. 5 minutes and 19 seconds remaining down for your second quarter. 29-24 is our score. Here's now back to the action. And here's now Sister against the line of 19 Mao. Walang basket. Here's now chance. Now Unidos. Mga kaibigan, ito na naman si Tampor. Bibigay kay Gundon! Ano ba yan? Soriano. We have a foul. From 71. That is Tambor, number 71. That is your first personal foul and also penalty. 4 minutes and 53 seconds na lang para sa ating second quarter. 29-24. Dadagdag ang kaya. Masyado pa Soriano. Soriano. Okay, 30-24. Anim na mga kaibigan labawan ng Team JSC. But this is only the second quarter and we still have 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time. Tugubira. And here is now Maestro. Bibigay kay ba sister, jersey number 5. Tuloy kayo mga kaibigan. Dapat kumakas sa Soriano, hindi niya alam na sa kanya pala ipapasa ang bola. 4 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Still 30-24. Ano pa rin nakahabulin na Olvidos. Unggan, titira, out for 3. Here is! Ay, wala akong mga kaibigan. Here is Bundan, turn around. Basket from top 4, jersey number 71, Alcudos in Milos. 3 minutes and 57 seconds remaining time, 30-26. Here is Nati Maho. Wala, ito, rebound by Yuntan. Bibigay kay Tambor. Tambor, Laras Maestre. Hanap na mapapasahan, tumag. Ungkan, ito na bitawan na 10 seconds to shoot. Kinuha ko lang, susunariyoso. Maestre! Down! Soriano. Jambul. Time on Milos. The remaining time for our second quarter is only 3 minutes and 17 seconds, 30-26. Welcome right back for more exciting game with SK Papa 2026. 18 seconds shot clock, 18 seconds to shoot. At 13 rather. Basket agad-agad, Soriano. 32 is the official score. $14 seconds. There is Kiban, basket from Kiban. Kiban Marini. Basketball from Basketball. Only 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Remaining time. Tambor. That is a 3-point. Tambor, number 71. Ay, ang talento ko mga kaibigan. Tambor against the Torres. Tambor! Counted. Foul number 1-8. Number 18, Maestre. Maestre, number 18, that is your first personal foul and penalty. Okay. Then na tayo mga kaibigan na 0-34. That is for sa oras na 2 minutes and 8 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Here is now 2 minutes remaining time. And there is now 4 Milos. Dire-diretso mga kaibigan. And there's now Bundan. Ay! Masyado mo namin Kiban. Meron kang chance rin back to 10 seconds. Tumas, tumira ng tres. Ay! Manchada. Safe ball pa rin daw, sabi ni Ref Lagutan. There is. Oh, Goa Alin. Alin Goa. Seconds, your minute time. Dahil na tayo makakabigyan of 34. Oh! Same ball na touch pa ng Monchada. 1 minute and 21 seconds. JSC, 12 seconds to shoot. Again, 12 seconds to shoot. Pagpak ang laban. Marase, walang matay. Hindi naman ako kasi this is Tomas. Ay, Chidoro. Ay! Good time! Basket. Oh, this time lamang. Same ball. Same ball. Time! JSC. Remaining time for our second quarter, ladies and gentlemen. It's just only 1 minute and 3 seconds. And our score is 36-34. That is a 2-point lead for Unidos. We will be right back. Ito na ba kaibigan? Ay, sayang. Magalit ng foul. Denied, that is a trouble violation. Kita-kita ang ating spy camera mula sa aming Salva TV na projector. 55 seconds is remaining time. Chance sa nila naman ang Unidos. There is some four. Ay! Tapos si Tampor. Again, 47 seconds remaining time to finish the second quarter. Maestre, Timao, bibigyan offensive foul from number 18. That is your second personal foul, Maestre. Offensive. Unidos. Yes, that is offensive. Wala tayong penalty. 18 seconds is the shot clock. Here is again Tampor. 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Go Tampor. Tampor. Papunta sa gilid. Meron tayong magkatawag kay number 9, pushing foul, Soriano. First personal foul, Soriano. And our penalty, 2 free throws. Tampor. Huwag sayangin ng panahon na para sa iyo. Okay. Sabi ko nagtatakatagal ko kung sayangin ng panahon. 19 seconds remaining time. Okay. 37-34, 19 seconds is the remaining time. Shot clock is off. Here is again Channels. Nakakabigutang! Ito si Kiban! Bang bang! 5 seconds. Remaining time. Okay, it's not counted. Grabe ang dupa ni Ref Tanya. Okay, that's it. 39-34 sa score. Bandang man ngayon.